Hello students, this is the second part of human digestive system. In it, I will study about the different digestive glands which plays a very important role in the digestion of food in alimentary canal. So let's see. So this is our second part of human digestive system, and we are talking about different digestive glands. Different digestive glands, actually what are the glands? Glands are also some organ which secretes some secretions or some juices or some chemical or some chemicals. Actually glands in our body, there are two types of glands. These are known as the exocrine glands and endocrine glands. Exocrine glands having the ducts, having the tube by which it sends its secretion to the different parts of body or the different parts of digestive canal, which is known as the alimentary canal. And second type of gland is known as the endocrine gland. Endocrine glands does not have any tube or duct to secrete its secretion. Second difference, exocrine glands secretes enzymes and endocrine gland secretes the hormones. Enzymes directly reaches to the targeted organs and hormones directly secreted into the blood. So let's see, we are talking about the different digestive glands. These digestive glands are having the tubes, इनमें tubes होती हैं, are having the tubes for its secretion or chemicals, and these secretions are known as the enzymes. These chemicals or secretions are known as the enzymes. So first type of gland, it is known as the salivary gland. Salivary gland कहाँ है? Salivary gland is located in the buccal cavity. Just in the first part of this video you have studied it. These salivary glands, what they secrete? They secrete the saliva through ducts or through tubes. This saliva is having water, salt, mucin and an enzyme ptyalin. This enzyme is also known as the salivary amylase. Functions हम next part third में देखेंगे. These salivary glands had the three types. First is parotid gland. These are located at the side of our face. Second is sublingual glands under the front part of the tongue, हमारी tongue के front part के नीचे है. And third is the submandibular gland at the angle of the lower jaw. So these salivary glands, actually it is a group of glands, not a single gland. And these group of glands are known as the parotid, sublingual and submandibular, which basically secretes saliva, and saliva comprises of water, salt, mucin and an enzyme ptyalin or salivary amylase. ठीक है. Next, second gland is digestive gland. It is known as the liver. It secrete, liver के बारे में आप सब जानते हैं. It is the largest gland in our body. It secrete greenish yellow juice. It is known as the bile. बाइल हिंदी में से पित्त कहते हैं. इट इज टेम्परेरी स्टोर्ड इन गॉल ब्लैडर. यहाँ जब बनता है, जो बाइल बनता है लिवर में, इट इज फॉर अ वाइल, जब तक जरूरत ना हो तब तक इट इज स्टोर्ड इन गॉल ब्लैडर बाय अ ट्यूब. इट इज नोन एज द बाइल डक्ट. ट्यूब के माध्यम से, एंड दिस ट्यूब इज नोन एज द बाइल डक्ट. दिस ट्यूब इज नोन एज द बाइल डक्ट. बाइल डक्ट से होकर के जो ये बाइल है वो गॉल ब्लैडर में स्टोर हो जाता है. Actually bile has no chemical action on food. Bile का फूड पर कोई केमिकल एक्शन नहीं है, ये भी हम डिस्कस करेंगे पार्ट 3 ऑफ वीडियो में। जस्ट इन दिस वीडियो यू आर स्टडिंग अबाउट द डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ ग्लैंड्स एंड व्हाट दे आर सीक्रेटिंग, और what type of enzymes they are secreting. And action on food, it's salt, इसमें जो salt present है, कौन से salts present है इसके अंदर, सोडियम ग्लाइकोलेट and second is sodium taurocholate. So liver secrete or release a greenish yellow juice which is known as the bile, which is temporarily stored in gallbladder through bile duct, bile tube. It has no chemical action on food and its salt. Bile also has some salts, and these salts are basically sodium glycolate and sodium taurocholate. Next type of gland is pancreas. Pancreas, it is an elongated yellowish gland, secretes pancreatic juice. कहाँ होती है? It is just I have just discussed the location of pancreas in the first part of this video, digestive system in human beings. Pancreas is located just back of the stomach, just lower back of the stomach. Stomach के पीछे तरफ होती है, निचले हिस्से. It secretes pancreatic juices or digestive enzymes and sodium bicarbonate. ये एक और जो है रिलीज करता है केमिकल, ये आप पढ़ चुके हैं in your previous chapters. Sodium bicarbonate and some digestive enzymes it secretes, and these enzymes are basically pancreatic amylase. It is salivary amylase which is secreted by salivary glands, and pancreas secrete pancreatic amylase. Second enzyme is lipase and third is trypsin. So these three enzymes are released by pancreas through pancreatic duct and sodium bicarbonate. Is it clear? Three enzymes, and these juices are released by pancreatic duct. Pancreatic duct. Both juices, liver juice which is known as the bile and the pancreatic juice which is known as the pancreatic juices or pancreatic enzymes, these both secretions or juice or digestive enzymes directly reaches to the small intestine. ये दोनों कहाँ पर अपना secretion भेजते हैं? ये दोनों किसमें भेजते हैं? ये दोनों भेजते हैं small intestine. ठीक है. So these are basically three digestive glands which take parts in the digestion of food in the human digestive system, and these digestive glands secrete different types of enzymes or juices, digestive juices or enzymes into the alimentary canal or the gut of human digestive system through the ducts, and so they are known as the exocrine glands. Both these secretions directly reaches to the targeted to the small intestine through a duct which is known as the common duct. दोनों को मिला के बन जाती है bile duct, और pancreatic duct को मिला के बन जाती है common duct. और ये common duct जो है अपना secretion रिलीज करती है किसमें? small intestine में. इनके अलावा भी कुछ और secretions एलिमेंट्री कैनाल में जाते हैं या एंजाइम सीक्रेट्स होते हैं, एंड besides these glands in stomach में भी 4 तरह के secretions digestive juices रिलीज किए जाते हैं. digestive juices, these are hydrochloric acid, second is pepsin. It is an enzyme. Hydrochloric acid, and lipase, also an enzyme, and mucus for lubrication. So these four other secretions are also secretes by the inner wall of stomach, by the inner walls of stomach. Hydrochloric acid, pepsin, it is an enzyme, lipase an enzyme, and mucus, it is a chemical for lubrication. उसमें नमी बनाए रखने के लिए पेट के अंदर ये सीक्रेट होता है. इसके साथ साथ कुछ इंटेस्टाइनल जूसेस भी निकलते हैं स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में, इंटेस्टाइनल गैस्ट्रिक जूसेस. इस तरह से in this way human digestive system is a very complex system. Human digestive system is very complex system in which a number of organs takes part together and complete its process, that means the digestion, and different digestive glands takes part for the digestion of protein, carbohydrate, vitamins, minerals, fats which are present in the food taken by us, and different other chemicals are also secreted. So in this way, in these two parts, part 1 and part 2 video, you have came to know about the structure of the human digestive systems and different glands and the secreted enzymes by them. In our part 3rd of this video, you will study the functioning of digestion in human digestive system with the help of different processes, different movements, different enzymes, different chemicals. Till then, best of luck, like it and comment it. Thank you very much.